In this video, we'll show you how to set up keyword settings in connectsafely.ai. Start by visiting your connectsafely.ai dashboard, then go to the keyword settings section. Here, you'll see multiple options. You can add a persona based on your requirements. A persona helps define the tone and style of your comments. For example, you can create a professional persona for business-related posts or a friendly one for casual engagement. This helps Connect Safely generate comments that match your preferred communication style. You can enable Tag Post Author. This automatically tags the post owner when you comment. Turn on Engagement Check to make comments only on posts that have more than 5 comments. Enable Like Post to automatically like the post where you're commenting. You can also skip certain posts based on your preferences, like hiring posts and update posts. You can also set additional post evaluation rules, such as skipping posts that contain specific hashtags or certain keywords. Next, set your keyword and author settings. You can add post author titles like CEO, CTO, or founder. You can also use AI keyword suggestions by providing your target audience and primary goal. And Connect Safely will suggest the most relevant keywords to focus on. Finally, click Save Settings, and you're all set.